Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Vaughn from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for June 19th, 2016. Hope everyone's having a great weekend so far. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off last week. Well, more selling on Friday. The Dow was much lower throughout the session, but managed to bounce and ended lower by just 57 points. But the real key here, if we look, now this is the futures chart, but there was no follow through. If you remember, we put in the strong bullish engulfing pattern here the day before, and there was simply no follow through. The same thing on the S&P 500 chart, which was down about 7 points, while the Nasdaq was down 44. Now, if we look at the weekly charts, much different picture, and what it really shows is that there's some clear channels in place here across the board on these weekly charts. Let me just quickly highlight it for you. So, you know, we've gone back and forth throughout these levels, and now we've made a second attempt here, very close, very soon here after this last attempt at this level. We seem to be rolling over. Now, momentum is certainly to the upside here, but at this point, we have been unable to get through there. S&P 500, the exact same picture. I mean, it's pretty much the same across the board, and the Nasdaq as well. So, you know, this clearly shows us that we're sort of in a wait-and-see pattern. This market has been consolidating with all the news and uncertainty out there. I guess the market's looking for some kind of catalyst for a breakout, one way or the other. And there's more news on tap this week, which I'll go through in a moment here. And maybe one of those will end up being that catalyst. As you know, we have that Brexit vote coming out on Thursday. Now, looking at some of these other charts, the yen continues to move higher here on Friday. A much smaller move compared to the previous day with that huge gap, but it is sitting near those highs. TLT pulled back a little on Friday, lost almost a point. Gold bounced and gained just a little over 3 points, while crude had a pretty strong day, up over 2 points. That moving average has gone flat. This is going to be a bit of a battle here for crude, and so we'll see how it reacts with all the news this week. Let's get to that news. Monday's pretty quiet, actually. Tuesday, though, Janet Yellen speaks. Wednesday, she speaks again. Also, MBA mortgage app numbers, existing home sales. Thursday, jobless claims, PMI manufacturing, new home sales, and that big Brexit vote. That's what the market's really waiting for. And Friday, durable goods orders and consumer sentiment numbers. So a big week on tap here coming up. Also, I'd like to invite you to join us for our annual summer kickoff, which happens next Saturday, June 25th. It all kicks off at 10 a.m. Eastern. Going to be a great event. I'm going to be introducing a brand new course on retirement account trading. We're going to have a great list of speakers as well, teaching you several strategies. We've got Stephen Bigelow, who's a candlestick expert. He's going to be showing you some interesting ways to trade with the trend, while Joe Cavallero will be going over some Forex strategies. Michael Guess will be talking about futures, and Barry Burns is going to teach you some advanced Fibonacci techniques. It's going to be a great event. These usually fill up fast, so save your spot as soon as you can. Just go to tradingwinds.com/kickoff. All the details are there. It's going to be a great event. Hope to see you there. But that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.